Newfypoos prefer to spend time with those they love. This breed is especially prone to separation anxiety. The Newfypoo is a designer dog achieved by crossing a Newfoundland with a standard poodle. It can weigh up to 150 pounds, stands 20 and 28 inches tall. The chances are that breeders did not start breeding this crossbreed until the early 2000s. They love to work and would love to go on a swim after a full day of guarding your children and your property. While this is a big animal, it is challenging to find a gentler or more loving option. Not only is the Newfypoo an excellent guard dog and a big loving animal, but it is also brilliant. It loves being around people and is anxious to please. If you talk to breeders or rescues who know about different breeds, they often love this choice. The Newfypoo has a thick, curly coat that tends to be oily. While this breed comes in many different colors depending on its parents' genes, 3 colors are most common. Newfypoos can be a combination of different colors. The 3 most common are grays. These animals may have a gray coat when they are born. Their coat may also look silver when they are born and turn gray by the time the animal is about 5. Usually, the face and paws will turn gray before other areas on the animal's body. Browns. Many different brown shades are found in Newfypoos, ranging from deep browns to more of a tan color. Black. Some Newfypoos have a deep solid black all over their bodies. Others are black only in patches. Some have a reddish or bluish tint to their black coats. Like all breeds, there are some common health concerns in Newfypoos. Serious health concerns include subvalvular aortic stenosis, hip dysplasia, sebaceous adenitis, gastric dilation, volvulus. While the vast majority of Newfypoos will not get these diseases, it is crucial to learn about them and spot them early. Subvalvular aortic stenosis is a narrowing of the aortic valve of the heart. Since there are usually no signs, you must get your Newfypoo checked out regularly. This disease is seen in many large breeds, including Newfoundland, Boxer Dog, Rottweiler, Golden Retriever, and Dogue de Bordeaux. The veterinarian commonly diagnoses this hereditary problem when the animal is between 6 and 12 months old. Hip dysplasia is when the hip joint does not fit into its socket properly. While many giant breeds, including Great Dane, Saint Bernard, Labrador Retriever, and German Shepherd, can have this condition that is often caused by genetics, there are several things that you can do to help prevent it. When your Newfypoo is a puppy, make sure that you are feeding high-quality food so that the animal grows at a steady pace. Full-grown dogs who are overweight are more prone to this issue, so keep your Newfypoo at an ideal weight. Frequent exercise can also help to prevent it from occurring. If you notice your Newfypoo losing patches of hair, make sure that the vet checks it for sebaceous adenitis. Along with Newfypoos, this disease is often seen in standard poodles, Akitas, and Samoyeds. In this disease, something causes the sebaceous glands to become inflamed. Usually, the vet will tell you to use a topical cream and bathe your Newfypoo often. Gastric dilation volvulus is a condition where the stomach fills with gas, and it may turn. This disease causes severe pain in the dog along with breathing problems. A vet may need to perform emergency surgery to stop the gas and return the stomach to its typical position. Generally, Newfypoos are open to loving everybody and everything. This trait is especially true if you spend the time and energy to socialize your animal when it is young. If you choose to get an older dog from a breeder or a rescue, make sure that someone has properly socialized it. Newfypoos are very loyal. They love their job of looking over you and your family. Usually, you can trust them with family members of all ages. At the same time, You should take the time to introduce your children to how to love this dog and treat it appropriately. Both the standard poodle and the Newfoundland are hunters. You can expect your Newfypoo to have hunting skills too. Therefore, give it toys and games that use this instinct. If you fail, some Newfypoos will try to escape and hunt on their own. If you are a new pet Newfypoo owner looking for advice on how to take care of your dog, especially Newfypoo puppies, think in terms of 3 key factors. Control its diet, be sure that it gets enough exercise, and socialize it properly. If you need help at any point, reach out to your breeder or rescue because most are very willing to help you and have a vast amount of experience. The nutritional needs of your Newfypoo change throughout its life. More active dogs generally need more food than those who are less active. Feeding your dog at least twice a day helps prevent many health issues. Newfypoo puppy food. You should feed your Newfypoo a combination of wet and dry food until it is 4 months old. Until it is 10 months old, provide it dry puppy food intended for large breed dogs. After that, you can begin mixing puppy and adult dry dog food as you slowly make the trade over to high-quality, large breed dog food. Newfypoo adult food. You should feed adult Newfypoos at least 2 meals a day. Choose a high-quality dog food that is high in calcium to help prevent bone health issues. Do not feed table scraps. Newfypoos can have 3 types of coats, and all of them are very low shedding. The wool coat is the densest, and you need to commit to combing through it once or twice a week. Give dogs with a wool coat a good bath once a month and have their hair trimmed about every 12 to 16 weeks. These dogs may also have a fleece coat. This coat is softer than other options. Commit to combing through it daily. Dogs with this coat type need to bathing more often, and they need their haircut more frequently. The final type of coat is the hair coat, and it sheds the most. If you are worried about allergies, usually avoiding this option will help. The great news is that you need to comb this type of coat every other week and take it to the groomer about every 16 weeks. Use a soft brush on the dog regularly so that it is not shedding all over your house.